Hello guys, welcome to KinFX Academy YouTube channel. As you all know, my name is Akin Lakin. I am the lead instructor. If you are new to this channel, please just use a second of your time to click on subscribe button. That is the only motivation we can get from you to keep doing what we know how to do best. So, and don't forget to click on notification button so that you can be notified when we drop a new video. So, before I continue with this strategy, before I tell you what is happening here, so I want you to first add these indicators to your charts so that we can start going together, so that you can be following as I'm explaining. So what you can see on my screen here is stochastic, oscillator, and the moving averages on the main chart. So guys, as you can see, this trade is boom 300. So the first 3 is the lowest lot size. This is the lowest lot size, and you can see the what I've used to pick, and this is 0.5. So guys, let me quickly explain what is happening here. So, but before I move on, you can see this strategy is like a continuation of the previous strategy I dropped on the best boom and crash strategy. You can check my previous video on that, but I'm not going to pick it as a continuation. I'm going to explain this in details again so that anybody that don't watch that will not miss anything. But I will advise you to also watch it so that you can have much knowledge about this particular strategy. So this trade is going to be running till we finish this video. So it's not it's a scalping though, but I have where to exit the trade. I don't have to be afraid of any spike. This strategy is very sure, and I'm very sure of it. So guys, add this to your chart. This is the stochastic. You can screenshot it. The period is 60, the K period is 60, T period is 3, slowing 3, price feed is low high, method simple, main 2 pixel. You can see the color green. You can choose any color of your choice. Signal 2 pixel red. So, and to the level here, you can see 90, 80, 50, 20, 10. 90 is a strong sell, 80 is sell, 50 wait or assist, 20 buy, 10 strong buy. So you can choose any color of your choice. If you are using black charts, you can choose white for this. So now we are using white, you can choose black so that you will see it clearly. So that is that on stochastic. So the first moving average is 20, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice. So then click on done. The second moving average is 21, method exponential, apply to close, style 3 pixel. You can choose any color, but make sure you don't choose one color 2 times. Make sure the color you are choosing is different from the previous one. So the third moving average is 22, method exponential, style 3 pixel, choose different color. The fourth moving average is 23, method exponential, style 3 pixel, choose different color. So the fifth one is 24, style black. You can be screenshotting this so that, because I don't want these videos to take much time, I'll show you this. The last moving average is 25, the same details, just different color. Then click on done. Then you will have this on your chart. So what is the work of this stochastic and what is the work of these moving averages? So you see this trade now, I'm selling, boom. Normally the default trading boom is selling, and the default for crash is buying. That is what we are going to do. We are not cashing spike, though if you are good in cashing spike, this strategy also work with that. But what I'm going to explain in this video is how to trade it with its default movement. So now, if you want to trade this strategy on 1 minute time frame, you have to confirm the trend from 15-minute time frame. I explained that also in the previous video. If you want to trade it in 30-minute time frame, whether you have enough capital, you have enough money in your account, you can trade it in the 15-minute 30-minute time frame, but you have to confirm the trend from your 4 hours time frame. If you want to trade on your 4 hours or 1 hour time frame, you have to confirm the trend on daily time frame, so that depends on the size of your account. But here I will show you, if you don't have much in your account, like beginners, you understand, with just $30 or $50 account, even $10 self, you don't have to enter multiple times. Just one entry is okay for you, and you will pick what you pick. If you enter once with lowest losses, you will be picking $4. That is something per day. Yes, per day. If you have $10 account and you'll be able to make $4 profit in the market per day, is okay for you. You don't have to be greedy. You don't need to double account in one day. It's just a matter, it's not that the size of your account is low, so your profits will also low. So you can't be compare yourself with people that has $10,000 in their account or $1,000. So as you can see, 1 minute time frame now, this stochastic is what give me entry. The green is fast moving average and the red is the slow moving average, slow MA from the stochastic. So now what I'm going to do is that I will confirm the trend of this from higher time frame. Anytime I see candle above this time frame, this moving average rather, the market is in uptrend. And if I discover that in boom, I won't enter the trade because I want to sell for boom and the boom is buying. So spike will just be happening unless you know how to catch spike. And anytime I see this candle below, as I see here, this moving averages, all these moving averages, that means the market is selling. Then after confirming the trend that the candle is below the moving averages in higher time frame, which is 15 minutes, I will now go to 1 minute time frame. I will patiently wait till this fast and slow MA get to this strong sell region. Strong sell. I won't even sell when it gets to this normal sell region. I won't sell. I will patiently wait till. That's how I trade my own. I used to tell my students, you have to have enough patience in Forex market. That is why you can come out with enough profit. I will patiently wait till it gets to this strong sell. If I have entered from this sell, this spike will catch me. You can see this spike will catch me, though it may later cover up because it has already entered the sell region. But if you don't have enough money in your account, you will be blown out. If you enter from here, even if the spike happen, it won't blow out. The highest that can happen is send you back to the entry level, which will start from zero again. That is the only thing that can happen, trust me. And when the this fast and slow MA, this stochastic fast and slow MA gets to this 50 region, wait or assist, I will advise you close the trade. That is enough. So you can see the spike happen now. So it's only happen, it's only go back to where I entered from. It doesn't send me out. That is possible. It will happen. Spike will surely happen, but it's never send me out of the market. So when the market gets here, though some people count like 10 candles, after 10 candles they assist the trade. After they count candle 10 candle, they will have assist the trade around here. But me, I will patiently wait till the trade enter here because there's enough money in my account. If you don't have enough money, maybe $10 account, you can assist after the 10 candles. But you have enough money, you can trade it and patiently wait for it to get to this region. Sure, you understand. So guys, that is that on this strategy. So let me check another market. Let's check boom. Okay, I think that is, we just leave boom. So let's check crash. So now this is crash 1000. Let's check the trend, general trend. You can see the general trend is uptrend. The candle is above this moving average, which means the market is buying. So we now go to M1. We normally buy for crash. We will now go to M1 if there's a chance for us to buy. No, there's no chance because this is where the stochastic moving averages are. We will patiently wait till these two moving average get to this region, strong buy, and cross here before we now go for buy. That is safe trade, or else we'll be sent out of the market. So you have to follow the trend. That's what the strategy teach. The spike has take from our profit, we don't have to bother. We equalize with the strategy. So guys, that is that on the strategy. Confirm the trend on high time frame, go back to lower time frame for your entry. You only use stochastic for entry and use the moving average to confirm your trend on higher time frame. So let's check another market. Though I have tested this also on the volatility 75, but I'm not well pleased with the results. So I can't until I still continue testing it. Maybe if it is work fine, I will surely come up with a video I will give you guys, but I have not okay with the strategy. If it requires me to add some things to it, I will do it and publish the video very soon. But for now, I'm confident with boom and crash. So guys, test the strategy very well on your demo account. That's what I always thank God I remember. Anytime you see the markets like this, that means the market is ranging, it's not in trend. This strategy best work for trend. So don't trade. When you check your higher time frame and you see something like this, don't trade, don't enter the market. Patiently wait for it to start trending. So it's best work for trend. So that is that. Test the strategy on the demo before going to live. So I want this trade to get to recollect from the loss, but I don't think I have that time. So maybe I will just which trade itself. Okay, boom, 300. So I don't have the time, but as you can see, you can go and test it on your own on demo. It will surely get here. It will surely get here. You see that the first MA, which is the green one, first the red one get. But anyone that first got to this and wait or assist region, close the trade. You are no more covered after it exceeds this place. You are at your risk, but you are still covered when it's still here, because the strategy is going to get here. The moving averages, that is very sure. So guys, that is that on the strategy. You can see what I explained. The spike happened, but it didn't send you out, it still continue. So we surely continue. So I'm confident about the strategy. You know, we are equalizing already. It's getting to where we are before. I think we have reached $100 before. So even if the spike happen again, it won't exist that place. So that is that, guys. I'm going to stop this video here. If you don't understand what I explained, you can watch the video again or drop your question under the comment section. I will surely attend to it. So that is that on this strategy. I wish you happy trading. So guys, I'm going to, I promise, if I confirm this strategy well on the stepping test volatility and it works, I will really come back to show you guys how I did it. But for now, I'm not confident on that market. I'm only confident about boom and crash on this strategy. So guys, I wish you happy trading. Bye.